Today's calendar is all about having a little self-care. These are bath bombs with little surprises inside. The brand sent this to me. Most of the advent calendars I bought myself, so I appreciate getting this one. I'm doing all kinds of advent calendars this Christmas season, so if you check around my channel, you'll find a ton of them, so you can find just the calendar that will make your Christmas just a little more special. Well, this one is filled with little tiny bath bombs. As you can see, I've already opened one without you. I'm sorry that I did that, but you're here now, and that's all that matters. I'm having a little spa time, a little self-care moment right now while we're doing this. Why not? It's Christmas. That's what it's for. Shall we get started? Go get a mask on and then come back and tell me which mask you're using. I can't wait to hear all about it. We're going to have a special spa time right now, and you get to be a part of that with your own mask. And then after we're done, you can go get some bath bombs of any kind and go have a bath. And that is a command, a Christmas command. And I look crazy, and you have to obey me when I look like this. Let's get started with day one. I'm going to just put my glasses on. This is a look. I look crazy. Day one, boring. It starts way up here at the top. I like that these are all circles, though. That's fun. This is also the noisiest of all the advent calendars I've ever done. Listen. Ain't no surprise in this. Really, the whole thing's not a surprise. What's going to be a surprise are the scents. What's going to be a surprise are the flavors. What's inside of the balls. There are things inside of there. Gonna find out what right now. One. Oh, look inside of there. It's got a little print. That's cute. Absolutely cannot get these out with my hands. So I'm going to need a tool. I need a spoon. A bath bomb spoon. Oh, look at me. I got it out with the... Spoke too soon. Yeah, I need a spoon. Want to give Frosty a try? Let's see if we can do it with Frosty. Got it. That's pretty. You can hear it and feel it. Whatever's in there, you can hear it and feel it. That's so cool. This smells really good. In fact, this whole box smells really good. The minute you get it up towards your nose, you can smell everything. This is very, very pretty. I don't know what the scent is, but it smells florally. Just florally. We won't know what this is until we throw it in the bathtub. Remember day one's kitsch? I knew these would come in handy. I'm going to put my bowls right in there and keep them handy. Because in a little while, we're going to go do them. Going to have to keep Frosty pretty handy, I think. Day two, right here on the top in order. Because some people are boring. You know what? I'm not going to keep turning this upside down, right side up. So we're just going to keep it upside down. And hopefully you can read numbers upside down. I can. Hopefully you can too. If you are getting this for a child in your life, I think they're really going to struggle getting these out. And they might be pretty frustrated. Based just on the two I've done, I'm going to say don't get this for a child. We'll see as we go along though. Oh, fantastic coconut. Day three, right here. Oops, I tore it. I was just trying to move it out of the way. It just tore off. I don't know why I'm talking in a hick accent. I like doing those accents, but really I just started talking weird because I don't want my mask to come off. And then it just stuck, the accent and the mask. This one's pretty, very 80s vibe for some reason. Kind of powdery and flowery. Day four. This is a 4. For those of you who can't read upside down. It's the earth bomb. I probably shouldn't say earth and bomb in the same. Look. Oh, look what it's doing. That might be easier though. Yeah, it is. A lot easier. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I like that blue and the yellow together. I don't know what this scent is, but it's nice. It's something... Strawberry, maybe? Raspberry? I think it's fruity. Oh, look, only 4 will fit in there. What shall I do? Well, I shall open number 5. Shall we? Absolutely cannot stick my fingers in there and get it out. This one's pretty. Very pretty. Oh, this is definitely fruity. Raspberry. For sure, raspberry. This is a really nice cardboard advent calendar. It's nice and thick. The flaps are not tearing when we open them, but because of the way these are, the calendar inside is not the best because really you're not supposed to be able to switch over and get them like that, I guess. Day 6. Ooh, very pretty. Oh, lovely. Now these are smaller bath bombs. If you're looking for giant bath bombs, this probably isn't for you, but don't think that small can't liven up a bath. It just means it's small. Small things come in great packages. I'm just telling you. No reason. Just saying it. This is also very fruity. Strawberry maybe. I think Frosty is gonna go to bed now. Number 7, or day 7. Can you hear it? Peach and white. It smells like peach. No, it doesn't. It actually doesn't at all. In fact, I don't like this. It's a very, very powdery smelling, like old lady powder. I'm old, I can say it. It's not ageist if I'm also old. I didn't like that one. So far, I've liked them all but that. Day 8. Uh-oh. You can't go that way. You can only go that way. Oh, no. You can't go either way in here. It's stuck. It's stuck. Okay. Come on back, Frosty. I was wrong. I'm wrong sometimes. I know. It doesn't happen very often, but it happens. It's better than a ball. That was weird. The whole thing was weird. I don't like this one either. It is a smell I've smelled before, and it's patchouli, I think, but it's not a good patchouli. It's very earthy, though. Day number 9. There we go. Uh-oh, what's going on here? Did I break something? What's this? I'm just going to stick that back down there because I don't know what it's supposed to be, and it definitely didn't go with this one. Oh, I can slip it out now. Aw, Merry Christmas. Wishing you peace, joy, and happiness through Christmas and the coming year. Aw, that's cute. It's pink with the little pink star. Well, that's my first Christmas card of the season. Aw, I had this on my neck and it came off. That's too bad. I'm going to put it back. This mask doesn't stick that great. I'm surprised it's still on. Day number something. I can't remember. Back to it. Your husband's going to be asking you why you got a fork and a spoon in the bathroom. You're just in there trying to get your spa stuff out of the package. Ooh, that one's nice. This one smells like a really nice flower, a springtime flower, like a camellia. Day 10. What do we think so far? We haven't done any of the bath bombs yet, but just considering that every day is an opportunity to go have a spa moment. Most of them smell great. Everyone's opinion on scent is going to be different. The box is decent, except for the problem of getting them out. What do we think so far? Pretty good. I love the idea of knowing that at any moment, I can go have a spa, and I've got plenty of bath bombs. I love that. Uh-oh, some of them are harder to open than others. This one does not want to open. I don't know what's happening here. Oh, I guess we have another card right there, and it was getting in the way. This one's pretty. You can get one of those giant glass jars and put all your bath bombs in that. And that actually would be really pretty because there's a lot of fun colors. Oh, this smells like a perfume that I know the smell of. Exclamation. Remember exclamation from the 80s? It smells just like that. Day 11. We'll just scoot this right on down over here. That's how we got the last one out. This is weird that they put this on the inside, but I guess they wanted us to see it. Natural floating, foaming, fizzing fun. Welcome to our fantasy world. Enjoy your bath time. And then in there is all the different kinds they have. No spoilers. That's interesting. That is very earthy too. Oh, you know what it smells like? You know those little candies, the little bottle pulp candies, the blue raspberry? It smells exactly like that. It even smells like the powdery part of it. Day 12. Pretty. Peach. Day 13. Very floral. Day 14. This would be epic if it was lime, just because it's green. It should be lime, don't you think? It is not lime, it is coconut. It is fantastic. That one's my favorite so far. I think I know what day 15 is going to be. Make a guess. A bath bomb! If you guessed it, you're right. This one's pretty. I just want to let you know that in all my videos, I have the products linked below. You can go over there and click on them, go over into the store and purchase anything you see that you're interested in. As long as you don't click onto any other links, I'll earn a few cents on that, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. It's just a way to support my channel. Pretty. Not sure what that scent is. You want me to guess anyway? Oh, okay. Roses. Doesn't smell a thing like roses. Day 16, more than halfway done, and I'm getting excited to see what's inside of them too. This one's pretty subtle. I'm not sure what the scent is though. Raspberry? I'm going to go with raspberry. They're all very sweet. If you like a more subtle bath bomb, these are not going to be for you. Now we're to day 17. Very fruity. I'm going to go with strawberry. Day 18. Also fruity. I'm going to say banana. Moving on to day 19, and the reason it's still in there and that I didn't even take it out is because I couldn't. But now Frosty can help me. Oh, this one's nice. It smells a little bit powdery. I'm going to go with powder scented. Love to know what your favorite bath ritual is, your special me time, spa, whatever you want to call it, self-care moment. Let me know. And just to add to the fun and chaos of the Christmas season, I've got a video, you're going to have to find which one, where I'm having a giveaway. You got to watch it to find out which one's the giveaway video. Because if you don't watch it, you won't know what I'm talking about. So you might as well also subscribe, because who knows what other fun things I might do. Day 20. Floral. Let's move on to day 21. The Earth in a bath bomb. Camellia. Now I'm making stuff up. Day 22, and we only have 2 days left. I wonder if I'm going to get a bath bomb. This is a very pretty yellow one. I like that yellow a lot. Oh, very subtle. I like this one a lot. I'm going to say it is gardenia. Day 23, Santa's little presents. This is a little more earthy there too. I'm going to go with sage, sweet sage, of course, because they're all sweet. And the last day, 24 days of bath bombs. Let's see what we get. I'm going to say vanilla, but I'm telling you right now, this is in no way vanilla. I just ran out of ideas. It's hard to come up with stuff, 24 days worth of ideas. I don't know what I'm talking about either. Okay, now we're going to do some little spoilerizing. We did have a rose. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to match them up. There's 2 of every scent. Now let's go over the scents. To the best of my ability, I'm going to match the flavors to the scents. So it's going to be a contest. There's 2 of each. I think these are the rose. Yes, they are. I could totally smell it now that I know. Ocean. Doesn't smell like an ocean. An ocean smells salty, but these are nice. I can't believe I couldn't tell that they were matches. These are jasmine. This smells nothing like jasmine. This is the one that smells like the blue raspberry lickums. Mint. No. It's too sweet to be mint. That would have been cool if it was actually peppermint. Watermelon. And yeah, I get the watermelon vibe. It's a little off, but close. Grape. I'm not feeling that. Grape. There you go. Of course, I might have these. No. It's possible that I got some mixed up, but I don't think so. I'll let you be the judge. You can, somewhere on the screen, I'm going to pop up the back of the box. Tell me in the comments if I got them wrong. I accept criticism as a form of payment. Lemon. Okay. I can see lemon. Very sweet, but I can see it. Coconut. And yes, they got that one right. I think these are the apple. Yes. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. That and the coconut, I think, have been my 2 favorites. Blueberry. Yep. Totally nailed blueberry. Mango. I told you there were some fruity ones, didn't I? This is very, very lightly scented mango and very, very sweet. And then the last ones are banana. Didn't I guess banana? Yeah, very lightly scented banana. Don't go away. We got to put them in the bath, and then we're going to come back and we're going to rank them. 5 metrics, 5 categories. Let's see how many points it gets. It means nothing whatsoever, except for it's going to be fun. So let's go do that and come right back.
For some reason. Going down nice. Launch sequence initiated. Bath bomb.
It's giving me tryptophobia.
Whoa.
Eat it.
I go jiggle jiggle.
Ooh, that actually looks tasty.
It does. It looks like a melted ice cream sundae.
With your lips.
Well, there you go. What do you think of that? I'm not sure which metric to use because on one hand, it is self-care. And on the other hand, it's a little kiddish. But because the box, I don't think would be fun for any child. It took the fun right out of unboxing. I'm going to call this a self-care calendar. And let's go with that. So because of that, we're going to file this under beauty and we're going to use those metrics. Number 1. Is it okay for over 50? How does it suit us? And this is just fine. Absolutely no reason why someone over 50 couldn't use this. In fact, we need it more than most at our age. So I'm going to give that 5 stars. So that gets 5. Is it made with quality ingredients? Are they recognizable? I don't actually know what it's made with. Sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, Epsom salt, coconut oil, glycerin, colorant, and fragrance. So, oh, I almost threw it away. I didn't see it. They should have had it be an actual door. This is why you stay till the end. Look, you would have thrown it away too. It's a little way to open them. Now, why didn't they give us a spoon to get them out of the boxes? I'm just making sure I didn't miss anything else. What is it, kitty? You need a spa day too? Every day is a spa day for the cats, don't you think? I double checked and I did get everything. These are brilliant. How many times have you been in the bathroom wanting to have a little spa moment? No way to open these things. You're like, oh, well, I guess I won't use one. So brilliant. But really and truly, they should have made this a little fancier and they should have had it as one of the days you're opening. That's my opinion. Quality, formula, stuff you can recognize. I'm going to go with 5 on that. 5, 5, 5. Because everything, you could make that yourself if you understood chemistry and how to make it. You'd probably find a recipe for it on Pinterest. It's way more fun to do that. Metric number 3, is it usable? Yes. Not only is it usable, but you've got enough to last you a little while. If you don't want to take a bath every day, you've got enough to share with your friends and family. I don't know why you do that. So I'm giving it a 5. Number 4, did it make you feel pampered? I'm going to go with yeah, it did. This is meant to make us feel great. Even considering what's inside of them, still fun and pampering. So it's getting a 5 for me. And the last one is, would I buy it again next year? This is one that I'm unsure of because on the one hand, I would love to open up bath bombs every year at Christmas time and have those to last me for a few months because my kids they borrow them. I don't ever get them back, but I hated opening it. There was nothing about that box that I liked. It was hard to open. It was hard to get them out. It had things in there that didn't go. The box itself was just bland. So I can only give it a 3 because while the package contents, the actual bath bombs themselves are lovely, I didn't like the unboxing. So 3. 4.6. If you can believe it, that beat out Kitsch and Tony Moly. Can you believe that? And you can go watch those and find out why. Don't forget that I'll have these linked for you below. I earn a few cents. I appreciate it when you buy through my links. It helps me out a lot. Subscribe so you don't miss any of these, and have a Merry Christmas.